It's really crazy. Something that could only be defined as a very back of the bus, graffiti on the bus, shit stain on the bus, wadded up poopy toilet paper, used plunger, overflown toilet, poop chips and toilet paper pieces, sharp, cheesy funk, of a vibe you get from a lot of these people, not just people, but a lot of these areas, in the city that I'm living in currently, you get this, it's just fucking nasty. It's like greasy, grimy, sweaty, like a very Down syndromed, autistic, stink, dirty, poop, dookie booty, funk type of vibe you get, And then you got some motherfuckers just wallowing in it with like no regard. Almost like you got me stepping around, like I'm like, I don't want to step in the shit, and then you got like straight up pigs just rolling in the shit, you leave your doorstep and it's pretty depressing. It's pretty dark, you go on the street and like every half decent woman is fucking like married or something, or or in love with some fucking lousy bum motherfucker, and or maybe in a very healthy, nice, good relationship, but shit, that's a locked door for me again, and then you got like everywhere you go, you got like these creepy old uh tutti frutti type of dudes, peeking around corners and shit, looking at a motherfucker like me, like, with some type of fucking attraction. And I'm just like, motherfucker, do I look fucking gay to you? Get the fuck out of here with that gay ass shit, man. Like, fuck out of here with that shit. It's just like, it almost seems like, all around you is just the most cringe, gross, autistic, dirty, scummy, scumbag, nasty shit that you can imagine, And I've seen some good people, I've seen some good things, but I have seen so much nasty shit that I just wish I never saw, It's just very fucking disgusting, almost like, it's like hell. It's funny, I laugh sometimes. I step out of my apartment and it's like, you know, uh, man, sometimes those halls, it's like literally I feel like the bloodhound that died and went to hell. I'm like, damn, like, what the fuck is this? Is this like a fucking scene out of like Slumdog Millionaire? Like the poop region and the trash region? Like, what is this, man? This fucking hall smells like fucking ass, funky feet, trash, and every other fucking thing you can imagine. Look down at the rug. The rug looks like it's hurricane, a fucking hurricane, whatever, victim sitting in a fucking FEMA camp that just never dried. Like it literally stains that. I don't know. Like it seems like are either oily or they are eternally wet because they never go away. It's like dark spots on a rug. Like they just never go away. And then like they never dry or something. I don't know. It's just fucking weird and it fucking reeks. So yeah, man. Um, this is toxic. I'm purposely being toxic on this audio rant that you're hearing right now. Why am I doing this? Yeah, to be an asshole. Because like many times I've heard people open their mouth so recklessly and they've said stupid ass shit to me before, like just fucking reckless, you know, like some reckless fucking vomit out of their fucking mouth, you know, talking out of their ass type of shit, you know, and like I, well, what surprises me is I've seen people do some real crazy shit or like some real shady, dirty shit, and you know what kills me is how they have like the most. It's almost like they have the most what's the word? Obnoxious, nonchalant, I don't give a fuck attitude about it. It's like, damn, like you got this nonchalant fucking attitude. Like you're like, you just don't give a fuck, man. Damn. Kind of like I like to see people get like that when someone deserves it, but I don't necessarily. Damn, it's like when you know it's kind of unwarranted, or like maybe the person that's doing it deserves to get like the shit smacked out of them. Um, it's kind of unnerving, you know what I mean? I'm like, but shit happens, man. I mean, I don't know. It's just sometimes you just gotta like just watch something and it's none of your business, so you just might as well just butt out. You know, a lot of times that's what I do. I just butt out. I'm like, that ain't my fucking business. Shit, I'm minding my own damn business, man. But damn, you know, god damn.